Oh, that looks mouth-watering. I can't wait to try it. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. And today it's creamy basil pesto chicken. Now there's a few different ways of doing this. You can do it in the oven. Some people like to cook the chicken in a skillet and do the sauce in the skillet as well. Today I'm not doing that. Everything's going in one pot in the oven. Here's what you will need. So obviously you're going to need some chicken breasts. I will be using 5 of these today. I've got 300 grams of plum tomatoes. I'm going to chop those in half and they are going to line the bottom of the baking dish. Half a cup of whipping cream, and the basil pesto is 130 grams. I may use it all, I may not, I'm not quite sure yet, but I have got another pack if I do need more. I don't think I will though. I think 130 grams will be enough. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using the lazy garlic. I'm also going to top the chicken with some mozzarella and cheese. I've just got a ready grated mix here. I've made a little seasoning mix up, which is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Alright, that's the stuff I'm going to use. Let's make a start. Okay, nearly forgot something. You'll need some chicken stock and some corn flour. Right, let's get on with chopping the tomatoes. Right, so with these tomatoes, basically all I'm going to do is chop them in half, and then we're going to use these on the bottom of the dish. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Just going to get in there with my hands and mix that together. This is going to help the sauce thicken up. And then we're going to add in the garlic, half a cup of chicken stock, and a tablespoon of pesto. Right, and give all this a mix together. And set that to one side. Right, so I've put my chicken in a bowl, as you can see. I'm going to add in the spices. And basically just coat them up. And then add them to the bowl. I'm hoping I can get 5 to fit in this. Just. Right, next I'm going to add some of the basil pesto to the top of them. And just spread it around. Give them a nice smear. Right, so with the cheese, I'm going to sprinkle some on top. Of each one. And then a little bit of Parmesan as well. And that's it. That is now going to go in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 25 minutes. Obviously we're going to probe the chicken and make sure it's cooked through. So these have had a total of 30 minutes. They are smelling absolutely delicious. Right, but we've not finished yet. Don't forget, we've got to add the cream to the sauce. So we're going to take the chicken out, put on a plate, and then we're going to finish off with the sauce. Okay, so with the double cream, now we've got the chicken out, we are going to run that into there. And just mix it all together to make a nice creamy sauce. So we're just going to get a little bit of that sauce and let's run him over them beans. And there we are, guys. Oh, that looks mouth-watering. I can't wait to try it. The best part, taste test. Okay, taste test. And let's have a dip in that sauce as well. And the cheese has got like a nice crunchy, crispy texture. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. Oh, all those flavours work well together. That is absolutely fantastic. Oh, let me try tomato. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. A lovely, simple chicken breast recipe, easy to make for any time in the week, weekends. Hope you enjoy, give it a try, and as always, if you could leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, really helps me out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.